CloseRocket AI has just hit the market, and it's already making waves in the digital marketing space. This new software promises to change the way businesses handle lead generation, sales automation, and customer engagement. But with so many AI tools out there, you might be wondering if CloseRocket is worth your time. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into CloseRocket AI, so stick around for the full details. First things first, if you're considering CloseRocket, you can try the software completely free from the first link in the description below. I'm not kidding, there's zero commitment to get started. Now let's dive into what makes CloseRocket stand out from the crowd. CloseRocket AI is designed for businesses looking to automate their sales processes with powerful AI-driven features. What makes it stand apart from other tools is its ability to provide hyper-targeted lead generation. Instead of wasting time chasing unqualified leads, CloseRocket helps you identify the perfect prospects and engage with them automatically. Imagine having an AI-powered sales assistant that works 24/7, nurturing your leads for you while you focus on closing the deal. One of the standout features is its sales automation. CloseRocket AI streamlines your workflow by automating your outreach, follow-ups, and lead nurturing processes. Whether it's email sequences, SMS campaigns, or even voice calls, CloseRocket takes care of it all with minimal effort required on your part. You can set up these automations once and then let the software handle the heavy lifting while you move on to the next project. Another powerful aspect of CloseRocket AI is its integration with CRM systems. If you already use a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce, CloseRocket AI seamlessly integrates into these platforms, making it even easier to manage your customer interactions. It pulls data from your CRM and uses it to make intelligent decisions about when and how to engage your leads. This feature ensures that your outreach is personalized, making it much more effective in converting prospects into customers. The AI behind CloseRocket is also incredibly efficient at predicting which leads are most likely to convert. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze past behavior and trends, helping you focus on the hottest leads with the highest chances of success. This predictive aspect of CloseRocket helps save time, allowing you to focus on high-value tasks rather than wasting energy on dead-end leads. One of the reasons CloseRocket is so effective is its user-friendly interface. Unlike many AI-powered tools, CloseRocket doesn't require a technical background to get started. It's designed for business owners and sales teams who want results without the headache of dealing with complicated software. You can set up and monitor your campaigns with ease, and it's intuitive enough that even if you're new to AI, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Now let's talk about the pricing. Many AI tools can be pricey, especially when you're looking at solutions that offer this level of automation. CloseRocket, however, offers a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. The pricing structure is scalable, so as your business grows, you can adjust your plan accordingly. Plus, with the free trial available through the link below, you can test it out without any financial risk. Finally, I have to mention the customer support team. CloseRocket AI provides 24/7 support, which is a huge bonus. Whether you're facing a technical issue or just need some help optimizing your campaigns, their team is ready to assist. This level of support ensures that you're never left in the dark when it comes to making the most out of the software. In conclusion, CloseRocket AI is a game changer for businesses looking to improve their lead generation and sales processes. It's efficient, user-friendly, and offers a range of features that set it apart from the competition. If you're tired of manually managing your leads and want to step into the future of sales automation, CloseRocket AI is definitely worth considering. Remember, you can try CloseRocket AI for free by clicking the first link in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and CloseRocket is one of the best I've seen. I also have a list of other recommended AI software you can try for free, so be sure to check that out as well. Happy automating!